Okay, radiator's in. We got all our modifications done so that we could get that situated. As we said, we had to go aftermarket on this. We did get an aluminum radiator to go in there, so it will help the engine stay a lot cooler. Biggest modification we had to do is actually sit there and modify the battery tray. We had to shorten it up and kind of move it over a little bit to clear some room there. So we cut that back, got it moved over a little bit to get our room there. We had to make some new holes in the core support to get everything situated there, and move our overflow tank there just a little bit. Got some hoses made up though, but we got it all in. And I guess if you really wouldn't know any different, then you wouldn't know that it wasn't supposed to be in there. So that's the whole point of the matter is we make it work. Sometimes that's what we have to do. We have to make things work. Sometimes there's not availability on certain parts, especially if we're going custom with stuff. Custom things, a lot of people think that you buy something and it's specifically made for this vehicle, that it's just a matter of just bolting it right on, and unfortunately it does not work that way. That's only a small portion of the time that it just directly bolts on with certain things. So there's always a little bit of time in there to have to manipulate, modify, fine-tune, those sort of things like that. And that's where we try to make our customers realize that sometimes time-wise, we don't want things to take longer than it has to either, but sometimes it does, just because of the effort that has to go into it to make something work. So, but we got her done. She's ready to go. We're ready to fill it up with some coolant and move on to the next step. So you guys keep watching. Thanks.